Downloading a Qualtrics survey is useful for offline review or backup purposes. Here's how to download your survey. Log into Qualtrics. Visit Qualtrics and log in with your credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, locate the survey you wish to download and click on its name to open it in the survey editor. Access survey options. In the survey editor, click on the Tools menu located at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Export Survey. Choose Export Format. You'll be presented with several format options. Choose Survey Export for a format that includes the survey structure or survey PDF. If you want a formatted document of the survey as it appears to respondents. Configure export settings. Depending on your choice, configure settings such as including question text, response options, and any other details you want to be part of the export. Download the file. Click Export or Download to generate the file. The survey will be downloaded to your computer in the selected format. Review the file. Open the downloaded file to ensure it includes all necessary details and appears as expected.